This is our factory, covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters. There are over 200 employees. Now there are multiple lines, and the whole group is about tens of thousands of glass bottles per day. At the same time, with high-quality servo-feed machine, can produce multiple weight products at the same time. These are our raw materials: silica, sodium carbonate, limestone, quartz sand, soda ash, etc. After the glass liquid is preheated by the heat storage pool, it is placed in the pressing mold, and the glass liquid is formed into the desired shape in the mold by pressing or pressure blowing. The glass bottles are undergoing quality inspection. Glass bottles are annealed to eliminate pressure and improve the strength and stability of glass bottles. Pack the produced glass bottles for easy transportation.